I'm coming around the back side of this beautiful marker tree, and I got to clear all of that and push it to this pile over there. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's an American kestrel nest very close. Here, this area, she buzzed the cab. Yep, there she is right there. Yep, see her flying. So, it's getting hot again. Go in and work on the computer. All right, time to get back in the beast. So far, we've cheated rain. It was supposed to come today, and now it might miss us, so I guess I'll take that. I'm coming around the back side of this beautiful marker tree, and I got to clear all of that and push it to this pile over there kind of carefully and try not to damage that tree. All right, progress. Slow process, but it's gonna look pretty when it's all done. All these monument trees like this one and that one will be all out in the open again, like they used to be. bigger. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's an American kestrel nest very close. When I was coming through here, this area, she buzzed the cab. And then when I was coming back this way, she tried to get me. She played like injured and flew down into here. So hopefully the nest is still in here and I didn't hit it. I'm calling it in because it is springtime. Yep, there she is right there. Yep, see her flying. So hopefully I didn't get her nest. They play like possum, you know, they pretend they're injured. Yeah, hopefully I didn't get a nest. But I'm almost wondering if it's in here. But there she goes right there. Here she comes. Hey girl. Beautiful bird. So anyways, I'm gonna call it in. Hopefully I didn't get her nest and she's got chicklets in there. Show you what I got done for today. Actually, I got several areas, but this is just one of them. This is basically the house expansion. There's the house right there. This is all going to be cleared except for these monument trees. Bunch of them out here. They're going to look real pretty. This will be like an open field, and we might build a barn over there as soon as we think we're ready. This is the pile. I had to work to get it in one location. It takes extra work. Like this stuff here, I had to push this way because I couldn't get it to go that way. And then I got to come back around the back side. I'll show you this other spot. It's up here straight ahead. Again, there's a couple big monument trees. And this is all going to go back to a field of some kind. I know you got regulars that are just waiting for it. Could be a micro plot. Yep, you never know. Or at least maybe down on this end before it falls off. I could drop one here, but it'll just be nice to be a little field prairie. So here's the other spot I got knocked out today. Again, I'm trying to bring all the stuff in just a few piles, and this is one of them on this side of this new field. So it's getting hot again. Go in and work on the computer, hang out. And this is where I continued last time. I put a few days in this field right here, getting this all cleared off. Ooh, yeah, she's warm now. But the AC works in the dozer. I'll take that. All right, Kestrel, good luck. Get them chicklets grown.